Here we are back again with the Comfort Zone 9-inch box fan. You may remember previous video that I made of this fan. I had the issue where I would turn it on and it didn't want to work. The blade wouldn't spin, seemingly because of lack of lubrication. So I oiled the fan and turned it on and it worked perfectly. Started right up and it was moving a mediocre amount of air, but about what I would expect from a fan like this, and thought all was well, but it's doing something different. Or I guess maybe it would have been doing that anyway, but there's another issue with it now. So it's not one thing, it's another. We'll get right to it. We'll start with high. I plugged it in. You gotta be shitting me. It's, maybe if I poke it. Come on. What happens? See if it starts. I swear, I oiled the fan, I turned it on, and it worked. There it goes. What is that? All right. I have no words. But anyway, this is what I was getting to. So if I leave it here like this, I think it would be fine. Tip it forward. Doesn't do that if you tip it back. It's okay if you tip it back, turn it face down, and there's something rubbing in there. I don't know what that is. I mean, it's not moving a terrible amount of air. I mean, it's not like impressive or anything, but it's probably less air than any of my other 9-inch fans. But it's acceptable. So when it is working, it's not that bad. See what happens if I start it on low. There it goes. See what happens if I tip it down on low. Turn it off now. I didn't notice anything earlier when I oiled the fan. I didn't see any issues with it, but there's obviously something else going on with it, and I don't want to put any more time into this fan. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I have an idea now of what I want to do with it that involves a trash compactor. I might get more enjoyment out of that than ever having to look at this thing again. But I don't know. I'm gonna put it away for a few days. I'm gonna put it away for a few days and come back to it. And if I feel like fixing, I feel like it's something that's probably fixable. Whatever it is, it's probably something that can be remedied. I just don't I don't want to give this fan any more time off my life. I don't. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to put it away and make a decision another time, the fate of this fan. And we'll see what happens. I don't know, or we won't. But unbelievable. Comfort zone, no place I want to be. Thanks for watching.